Hello friends, Heidi here from Rain Country. God is good all the time. Well, I'm here to mostly just let everybody know on YouTube that today, the same time this video is publishing, I have a video on Rumble that is publishing. That is going to be only on Rumble because I'm talking about a few things that are not allowed on YouTube. So if you're not following me on Rumble, you can always find my link in the description box down below. And now that they've been adding the playlist option, it's been so great. I've been getting more and more videos over there, just really piling a lot on there over the weekends. I still schedule them to publish so I don't have to do anything on Saturdays, but I schedule so there's a bunch publishing on Saturday and a bunch publishing on Sunday, and I try to get them at least to publish an hour apart. But in building those playlists, and one of those playlists actually is one just on videos that I cannot have on YouTube. So if you go, one of the links that I'm now starting to include in my description box isn't just the Rumble channel, but also now the link to where you can locate all of my playlists, including that particular one. So don't forget to check the description box down below by clicking on more or show more somewhere right down here below the video screen, but above the comment section. And I do also want to just let people know that Rumble is getting better all the time. So it's not just the playlist options that they have now, but they're changing the way their layout is altogether. And I'm loving how things are coming together. At the time I'm shooting this video, they still don't have closed caption available yet, but I feel pretty confident that's going to be one of their next things they'll be adding. And I'll let you know as soon as I find out. But they do have the video playback speed option, so you just go into your settings. So if you're playing the video and you kind of hover over it, or if you're on your phone and you touch the screen, you'll see something pop up where you can actually adjust the playback speed. So you can play it. If you think I talk too fast, you can play it slower. If you think I talk too slow or you're just in a hurry, you can play it a little bit faster, and you have various different speeds you can choose from. So I know for a lot of people, I personally hate doing that on anyone's videos, no matter how fast or slow they talk, but I like to hear people how they sound in real life. But if that's something that you depend on, you know, needing to be able to slow things down to be able to grasp it better or speed things up because of your time, I know that's going to be an option that people are going to be really, really happy with. So don't give up on Rumble yet on the closed captions though, because they're constantly improving things over there, and I'm liking it better all the time. But yeah, the way things work on the phone, now that I downloaded the app and was kind of looking at, because I don't use my cell phone for things like that, but I will check it to see how it looks to other people. That's how I realized, oh, no wonder people get confused. And one thing I want to point out real quick is if you have a Rumble account and you just go into your account, you'll see highlight channels highlighted above, like you would see on Instagram for stories. If you click on that, you might see the most current video, but you won't be able to find the description box from that. You will have to actually go down to where it says Rain Country, click on that, then open the video from there, and then you'll be able to access the description box. So now I'm understanding why people are like, I can't find the description box anywhere. Well, if you're going through the stories rather than scrolling through your feed and finding the video, then that would explain why. So you just got to make sure you take that extra step if you're wanting to find all the info or even be able to access comments. So go check that out. That's all this video is about, is just to let you know that not only am I up in my game at Rumble, they're up in their game too. And you can find all kinds of great information over there. All the same I put here, but also more that I cannot put here. Oh, and don't forget, you can also now find me on X, also Instagram and Facebook, though I use Facebook the very least. I at least keep it open for important announcements. So you can follow me on any of those. If anything ever happens to me here on Rumble, I'll be using all of those places to let you know. And free studying as well. All right, well, thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.